Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we continue making the pattern for the jumpsuit. Last time I showed you how to make a pattern for the trousers. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pattern for the bodies. First, I want to make the sleeves shorter. I will make them 16 centimeters long. The line should be slightly biased. The sleeve is ready. Let's have a look at the bodies. I'm not going to remove the shoulder darts. Let's have a look at the neckline first. I need to make the shoulders 1 centimeter tighter. I'll also make the back neckline 7 millimeters deeper. I'm going to make a stand collar, so I can't make it too deep. I'll also make the front neckline about 2 centimeters deeper. I can cut the extra pieces now. I'm not going to button the stand collar. Anyway, it should be accurate. Let's have a look at the armhole. It should be made deeper as well. I'll also make it 5 millimeters wider on each side. I remind you that we should be very careful when altering this part, the back part of the armhole. I'm going to cut just a bit. If you don't know for sure how the garment is going to fit you, you can alter these details after the first fitting. The armhole is ready. Next, I need to move the opening of the chest dart to the side seam. You know what? I don't like it. I'd better make a princess seam here and make the chest dart shorter. I'll also move the opening of the waist side here. This is where the chest dart is going to be placed. It will be much shorter. I don't like long darts. Use your imagination. Be creative. There will be no princess seams on the back. I need to close the original opening and move it to the princess seam. Make sure that the lines are smooth and beautiful. Sometimes, I wonder how the girls who work in my fashion house even tolerate me. I can tell them the same things again and again, until they learn them by heart. There is a waist tuck here, but I'm not going to make it. I moved it to the princess seam. You know that my body is pretty perfect, square, so my waist tucks are not big. The pattern for the front is almost ready. I'll show you how it is going to look like. The chest dart would look much better this way. It's not that long anymore. Do not forget to sign the details. This is the center front. I need to add 1.5 centimeters for the button stand here. I also need to add 7 mm for seam. The placket will be stitched on top of these details. That means that I need to add 2.2 cm in total. It's better to write everything down. In this case, you won't forget anything. Let's have a look at the back. There is no need to change it. I just altered the armhole a bit. Both the front and the back are ready. Next, I need to make a pattern for a flounce. The total length of the detail will be 39 centimeters. I need to draw a circle here. I'm going to use the same technique as in making a flounce for a skirt. To calculate the radius of the circle, I need to divide the length of the frill by 2 pi. That means 6.28 centimeters. Measure 6.2 with a compass. The tracing paper is folded in half. Draw a circle here, with the radius 6.2. I'm drawing just half of the circle because the pattern is folded in half. The frill is going to be 9 centimeters wide. That's why I need to measure and mark 9 centimeters circle-wise. Learn to work quickly. Don't waste your time. I'm in a very bad mood now. I don't have a jumpsuit. How can I be happy? Half of a circle is ready. The radius of the inner circle is 6.2. You can make the flounce as wide as you want. As for the stand collar, I'll make it after the first fitting. Patterns for all the other details are ready. I'll cut the same circle of fabric and make a cut in one of the sides. That's all for today. The pattern for the jumpsuit is ready, both for the trousers, the bodies, the sleeves and the flounce. That's all for today. My name is Irina Paukshte. Be different and beautiful. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.